Hi there, students. Pursuant. Almost always pursuant to. It means according to. According to a law or a rule or an instruction. So I'm acting pursuant to my boss's instructions. Pursuant to the law of the 5th of April 1963, I am serving you with this document. I'm giving you this document. Okay, so in accordance with, according to, pursuant to the wishes of Her Majesty, I'm asking you to go and visit her. Okay, the committee will give a written statement about the meeting pursuant to Rule 176 of the rules of the company. So, pursuant to, in conformity with, carrying out. So, pursuant to the rules of the game, we have to throw the dice again. Okay, so pursuant to, in accordance with, pursuant to the instructions you gave me, I enclose the following documents. Okay, so in conformity with, pursuant to our agreement, you must pay me this money within 7 days. Being consistent with, following the rules of. Okay, so pursuant. This is, I didn't actually explain. Pursuant is an adverb, yeah? In accordance with a law, a legal document, a regulation, a decision, a rule, a resolution, something like this, yeah? And we nearly always use it as an adverb. This is done pursuant to Section 63 of the Criminal Evidence Act of 1988, yeah? Okay, so it's done according to it. Notice this comes from the verb to pursue, to run after. The police pursued the criminal, yeah? Okay, pursuant to. This, to me, sounds very legal and very formal. I think I would probably give it 7.5 informality, something like that. It's a really formal legal phrase. I think I would probably classify pursuant to as legal English. I have given you 7 days notice pursuant to the terms of our contract. Following. Okay, let's see, it's probably the same as in pursuance of, in accordance with, but very often in pursuance of, following and trying to get. So in pursuance of the truth, I asked a lot of different people what they saw happen. I interviewed a lot of witnesses, yeah? But pursuant to, in pursuance of his work, trying to do his work, following the requirements of his work. And then, yes, this is pursuant to the details set out in paragraph 37. Yeah, this is pursuant to the wishes and the wishes of the government. Okay, it's in accordance with, according to, the same. Okay, notice, as I said, this is very formal. I think informally, following the rules of, according to the rules of. So I've got to do, according to the cookbook, I need to use 3 ounces of flour. That's more normal, more neutral formality. In pursuant, so pursuant to the details in the cookbook, I must use 4 ounces of flour. It's incredibly formal. I would use pursuant to in formal occasions. I'm not even sure I would use it in a semi one. So high semi-formal, very formal only. Okay? So enough. Pursuant to. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pursuant to.